How to install Cato single decorative traverse curtain rod. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here is the complete set, including all necessary accessories. Decorative finials are available to customize. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. Use the rod to mark the bracket mount positions on the wall. Loosen the mounting plate from the bracket base by rotating it. Align the center of the mounting plate with the previously marked point, then remark the drilling points with it. Make the holes at the marked positions with a drill. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting plate to the wall. Snap the cover plate onto the base. Align the bracket with the base plate, then rotate it into position until it locks securely. Note, if the bracket appears slightly misaligned, you can adjust by loosening the small side screw with a hex key. Use the hex key to turn the screw and remove the end cap finial. Slide the insert plate into the top groove on the rod. Align the insert plate with the screw hole on the bracket, then insert the screw. Secure them with a hex key. Repeat the same steps to attach the rod to the remaining brackets. Firstly, insert the fixing pin into the slot on one side of the rod. Slide the connector into the rod groove on the top. Align the adjacent rod slot with the pin and push firmly to connect. Finally, secure the connector with a hex key to create a continuous rod. Note, if a connector is used, a bracket must be installed at the joint to secure the connection. Align the connector hole with the bracket hole at the center point. Then tighten the screws with the hex key to secure the rod with bracket. Now, your Cato single decorative traverse curtain rod is fully ready. Don't forget, several finial options are available to match your space.